Hello, welcome to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. I'm Orisheje Matthew. Today we'll be looking at equations, and we're going to be looking at an aspect of equation, and then we'll explore all different types of equation in algebra. But today we're going to look at simultaneous equation, and we're going to look. How many of you have used elimination method? I know there are like different methods. We can use graphical method, substitution method, elimination method. But today we're going to look at the elimination method. Just simple one for you to do. And you know, at the end of this lesson, you have an exercise. I need a feedback from you to show that you actually understood what I've explained in the video. So let's dive in. So right here we have a question to solve. Actually, it's a two-step question. We have to solve the simultaneous equation and then apply the simultaneous equation to find the value of 3x take away y. So first of all, bring out the equation. So you have x plus y equals to 8. Let's call it equation 1. Then you have 4x take away y to give you 22. So this one become equation 2. Now, since we know we are solving simultaneous equation, and then the signs of the y, if you look at the y, so here you have plus y minus y. How can this value become 0? Is by addition. So we are going to add. So you do this. So let's add these two together. That will give me 4x plus x. Then if you add this and this, they will give you plus y minus y is equal to 8 plus 22. Exactly. So this will give us 5x, then this is 0, is equal to 30. Now, 5s, which number will I multiply by 5 to give me 30? So it's simple. That is x is equal to 30 divided by 5. So x is equal to 6. Now, for us to complete this question, we can now substitute 6 in any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's use equation 1 because equation 1 has lower value. So use s equals to 6 in equation 1. And what does equation 1 say? X plus y equals to 8. So whenever you see s, replace it with 6. That is substitution. So 6 plus y equals to 8. What number will I add to 6 to give me 8? Simple. If I'm adding, then I will subtract. So collect like term. So y is equal to 8. Take away 6. So the number is 2. So automatically we have our value. We have x equals to 6. And then you have y equals to 2. So this is the solution of this simultaneous equation. But let's solve the next question given to us. We are expected to evaluate 3x take away y. So what is the x? So we have 3x take away y will now be 3 multiplied by 6 take away 2. This will give us 18 take away 2. So the value is 16. So that is the solution to this problem. All right, having gone through the solution of solving simultaneous equation using elimination method, I want to get feedback from you. So I want you to try this in the comment section. Given that 2s take away y is equal to 35 and s plus y equals to 118, evaluate y take away x. So I want to say the first student to give me the answer. Okay, see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm glad that you are here. Recommend this super easy physics and mathematics to your friend, your classmates, your neighbors. We are here to learn. Mathematics is fun. See you.